First, hello everyone, and thank you for watching my video. I'm Yogi's Electronics. Are you ready? Then let's get started. First, I remove the protective cap, so I can work cleanly. I will show you the easiest and fastest way to desolder and solder the LED chips. We will do the task with the rework station. I set the temperature to 380 degrees and the blower to level 2 to 3 for these small LED chips. Unfortunately, I didn't have my fine tweezers nearby. These tweezers are a bit coarser, but they get the job done. You will see in the video why the finer tweezers are better. As you can see, like I said before, these tweezers are coarse. For the first few LED chips, I will hold them sideways and remove them. You can clearly see how the plastic on the LED diodes is soft, which is an indication that the temperature should go down a bit, to 360 degrees. Oops, I left some plastic on the tweezers and the LED diodes stuck to it immediately. So always clean the tweezers a little so that something like this doesn't happen. Oops, if you're not used to desoldering, you should fix the lamp so that it can't move. Now we're going to remove the LED chips in a different way, from the top sides, and you'll see that it's better that way, with these rough tweezers. And the temperature is right now too. Normally, we would have to clean the solder pads first. That means first removing the old solder and then soldering fresh solder on it, and then soldering the LED diodes again. But since this is a video where I just want to show you the easiest and quickest way to desolder and solder the LED diodes, I will skip this process. As you can see, when you heat the board, it keeps the temperature constant for a few seconds, so you can easily correct the LED's position. Now we will solder the remaining LED diodes. As you can see, the LED diodes are not 100% straight, but that's not a problem. Now we will check if all diodes are soldered correctly. As you can see, all LED diodes are correctly soldered. And finally, when you solder such diodes, you always have to look at what kind of diodes they are. For example, the size and solder plays a big role. As the diodes get smaller, they will go down with temperature, but you always have to be aware that you're better off with lower temperatures rather than higher temperatures. The LED diodes should not be desoldered with too much heat, otherwise they will break. It is best not to go over 370 degrees, and for smaller ones even not over 310 to 350 degrees. But if it's the big LED diodes, then you can go up to 380 degrees from above and up to 400 degrees from below for a short time. And thank you for watching my video.